Imagine your software development team has spent months building a new application. The features work, the bugs have been fixed, and technical testing is complete. Everything seems ready for launch. But before the software goes live, there's one final question. Does it actually meet the needs of the people who will use it? This is where user acceptance testing, or UAT, comes in. In this video, we'll explore what UAT is, why it matters, and how it helps ensure software is truly ready for users. What is user acceptance testing? User acceptance testing, commonly known as UAT, is the final phase of software testing before a product is released. Unlike technical testing, which focuses on finding defects in code, UAT focuses on validating whether the software meets business requirements and user expectations. In simple terms, it answers one important question: is this software ready for real users? During UAT, actual users or business representatives test the application in real-world scenarios to ensure it performs as intended. Why is UAT important? Even if software passes all technical tests, it may still fail to meet user needs. UAT helps organizations validate business requirements, identify usability issues, ensure workflows function correctly, reduce the risk of post-launch problems. By involving end users before deployment, organizations can gain confidence that the system delivers the expected value. How does UAT work? The UAT process typically follows a structured approach. First, business requirements and acceptance criteria are defined. Then, test scenarios are created based on real-world user activities. Users perform these tests and provide feedback on the system's functionality and usability. Any issues identified are corrected before the final approval is given. Once stakeholders are satisfied, the software is approved for release. Types of user acceptance testing. UAT can take different forms depending on the project. Some common types include business acceptance testing, verifies that business objectives are met. Operational acceptance testing, checks operational readiness and support processes. Alpha testing, conducted internally before external release. Beta testing, performed by selected end users in real-world environments. Each type helps evaluate the software from a different perspective. Real-life example of UAT. Consider a bank launching a new mobile banking application. Before releasing it to customers, the bank invites employees and selected users to test key functions such as logging in, transferring money, paying bills, viewing account statements. If users encounter difficulties or identify missing requirements, the issues are resolved before the public launch. This helps ensure a smoother user experience and reduces potential complaints. User acceptance testing is the final checkpoint before software reaches its users. It helps organizations verify that applications meet business requirements, support real-world workflows, and deliver a positive user experience. By involving end users in the testing process, businesses can reduce risks and increase the likelihood of a successful launch. Now you understand what user acceptance testing, UAT, is, and why it plays such an important role in software development. Explore software testing training at the Knowledge Academy to strengthen your expertise. The link is in the description. If you found this video useful, like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy official channel for more professional insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.